Okay guys, so today's video, this is probably going to be like timeline. As of today, we're actually doing the most critical job. I am trying to rebuild my Blitz 03. What I'm doing today is basically cutting the lip and barrel, trying to separate them because I have this as original. I actually, shout outs to JDM Distro. I ordered the parts from them, the wheels from them, and nothing but good reviews about them. So I made a purchase a while back to acquire these wheels. So anyways, without further ado, I'm actually going to cut the wheels in half. So anyways, here, let me show you guys what I got so far. So this is the wheel that I'm trying to salvage. This is going to be for the front. I plan to split this up so I can use the rear barrel, that right there. So I'm trying to save that one. What I'm trying to do is basically experiment, see if I can reuse this rear barrel right here. And just to let you know, this is the original part. So they're actually with Blitz 03, some may not know, if you got an original one, they're still sealed. okay? But they're also welded together. So yeah, so the best part of this is that you can reuse them. I mean, I've done some reviews. You can split them professionally. I would recommend to do that. But this is, like I said, this is just an attempt. And if we mess up, oh well. But if I can salvage it, that'd be freaking great. As you can see, what I did first is basically saw it by hand, steel saw by hand. So I get the perfect line all around, right? And I use the grinder to get it more down. So as soon as I get my straight line, then they're indented already. So I'll work my way down by using the grinder. You will see it's already like partly cut on those rivet holes. See that? Like the one right there. It's already like cut halfway. So I'm gonna get you guys a better angle here so you can see. So far, there's two. You can see the split. There's the line right there, right? And this is the line right here. So pretty much, I'm cutting in between that little tiny, very thin line of the outer lip barrel, the outer lip side of the wheel. So you got to get that perfectly cut in between that by not cutting, overlapping this line and accidentally cut the barrel. Do you see what I'm saying? So far it's been kind of like a good, and this is like I'm more than a half here, and I'd say got about like a little bit of half, like over a half here. So I got to get this side done. Hopefully this comes to success. So, and move forward after that. Let's do this. All right, guys, thank you so much for waiting, being patient with me. But finally, we are getting this wheels done, and I can't wait. They're here, ready for paint. So we actually gonna lay the primer inside the wheel faces, and then we're gonna flip it over to the actual faces. So right now, everything is all taped up. This one takes a while to do, just because it's just it's a little tedious to do because all the edges and stuff. I don't want to get this where the wheel face sit on the barrels. Anyways, it's done. I think you got them all good, nice and perfect. So, and they're all sanded out already too as well, and they're ready to go. Sorry it's a little loud. I got the compressor going right now, and we are ready to spray. Let's go at it, guys. Okay, guys, so we are back now. So we're pretty much ready to paint the wheels, and it was a little bit more work with sanding. I did pick on one of those cards to see which one has a less blue in it, and it turned out to be the Hyper Silver Metallics is the one that has less blue in it. So the blue tint, kind of like, I don't really want the blue tint, just because when it hits the sun, it's just gonna turn blue, and it just looks pale for me, in my opinion. But we'll see how it goes, and hopefully this thing will look good. So let's cross our finger on that one, guys. So let me go ahead and update you guys what it looks like so far with sanding the wheels. So see, this is how they look. I did sand them with some 400 grit, and they're pretty smooth so far. So you're gonna need a 400 grit because you need attachment for the base coat to lay in. So hopefully this will turn out good. I know I'm doing the backside first, a little light base coat on the backside, and then we're gonna turn it over to the face after. So. All right, guys, so it's been 25 minutes. I did actually take my break. I need to get something to eat. Anyway, so now, guys, we are ready for the satin clear coat to be laid. I think these are pretty much ready. Give it about 25 minutes before you lay your clear coat. So let's go ahead and get this thing going. And I can't wait, guys. Let's go. Yeah.